Hello students, greetings from Firebird Institute of Research and Management. Firebird Institute of Research and Management is going to organize a free online webinar for the upcoming May MAT 2023 aspirant students. I hope many students have registered for May MAT 2023, that too for June 4th CBET and the last IBT. If you are looking for the best coaching and also for the best guidance program, don't forget to attend this webinar on May 16th, Tuesday at 8 pm, conducted by Firebird Institute of Research in Management, which provides the best PGDM and International MBA course in Tamil Nadu. If you want to enroll for this webinar, kindly enroll through the link provided in the description box. All the best students, or you can also contact 8870046080 for enrollment. All the best students.